Good morning, everybody. So last day I have taught you that simple past tense. Okay, I have taught you the simple past tense. And also simple past tense, I have told you the page number 53. I have told the I have told also that please do by yourself, but I will do today number C, page number 53, simple past, page number 53. Simple past. And I told again, I am just giving introduction because last Saturday this class happened. Many person did not join. And I have taken this YouTube class also, online YouTube class. Again, just I am giving the introduction. Simple past tense, when just we are telling some verb we should change. And also, not only that changed, we are changed by adding ed. Yesterday, last day, previous day, all these things, all the words, if you see, that will be the past tense. And also that sometime I told eat, ate, make, made, give, gave, so many past tense I have also given. Because I think that you should read. And page number 53, today I will do the number C. If you have done, revise it, and those who have not done, Aniruddha Goswami, everybody is looking that. You cannot see me. Why? No problem. I think some problem is there. Dhriti, can you see me? Please tell me yes or no. Aniruddha, please, no need to do this. Like this, please tell me that. Dhriti, can you see me? Only yes or no. Just tell. Okay, Aditi, you have done, it's very good. Dibyanka is telling yes, so no problem. So just if you have done, you will revise it. Next, I'll go to the simple future tense. Okay. So here, number C1, I wrote. Number 2, just I did not do in the board, so I have written that. Number 2, my parents gave me. Number 3, he made me. He made. Number 4, she ate. Number 5, Harshit fell. Harshit fell. Number 6 here I am writing. Number 6, mother told me. Number 7, the cat hid. Options are there. Number 8, Aniruddha, please don't do like this. First time I have done like this, don't send any picture. You are having some problem, I am not having, beta. Please. And here, number 8, Mrs. Jain taught us. Number 9, I knew the answer, but I kept quiet. I knew the answer. Number 9, and here I kept quiet. So these things I have already told, and most of the students, you have already done also. It's very good. Daniel, no need to answer that. Please do it. Okay. So here wrote, gave, made, ate, fell, told, hid, all these are change form of the past tense. Next page we'll go, page number 54. Simple future tense. Those who have not done, you will see the video also. Simple future. Please remember. Okay. Who is sharing the screen? Please don't share it. Okay, beta, very good. Those who have done, it is very good. So here, who is there? Please let me see in our class. Aditi Singh, Vaishi Ghosh, Aniruddha Goswami, Ankon Saha, Anushree Das, Anushka Goswami, Arindam Ghosh, Ayush Mondal. Ayush Mondal, this Ayush Mondal is there. The two Ayush Mondals are there, but two Ayush Mondals are not muted. Dibyanka. Why? Everybody should mute, no? So here, one thing, I will tell the simple future tense. Please listen to me very carefully. Simple future. Future means it will happen. Action will happen. Action will happen in future. Action will happen in future. So future means next day. No need to send that Daniel that any picture. Okay, please listen to me. Listen to me. Yes, Daksha, I have already muted somebody, and why they did not do, I could not understand. Aniruddha Goswami, Anushree Das. If again you are not muted, let me see what I can do. Action will happen in future. Future means the next day, next year, tomorrow, or after some time. So that is that future, okay? That is future. Please listen to me. And after that, we will use will or shall. Actually, shall nowadays, modern form, we are not using shall. We are not using shall. We used to use shall after I. But nowadays, we are always using will. I also, and another all the form, we are I will, you will, he will. But verb form, what we can do? Verb form, I will go tomorrow. I will go to Kolkata tomorrow. So here, I will go. Go is the present form of the verb. So I will go, you will go, he will go, and they will go. Just remember, whenever we are writing will, after that only present form of the verb or root of the verb we are using. Present form of the verb. Present form of the verb we are using or root of the verb. So please remember these things. Whenever we are using that will, okay? So here, will, go, will, do, will, eat, root of the verb or present form of the verb. So here, okay, Dibyanka, no need to learn the now Bengali. You are using only English, so please, whenever if you are writing English, you are thinking Bengali, your English will be not good for that. So please read in English, not in Bengali. Okay? Whenever in Bengali grammar you are using, at that time you will learn like this. So here only you can learn that I will go, he will eat, always root of the verb we are using. So page number 54, they are telling exercise number B. Exercise number B, just I am telling this flight takes off at 4 p.m. This flight, please write it, this flight will take off. Just look, not takes off, take off. This is the root of the verb, take off at 4 p.m. At 4 p.m. Number 2. I play badminton in the morning. I will play badminton in the morning. Number three. She will grow roses in her garden. That is page number 55. Page number 54 to 55. Number three. She will grow. She will grow roses. She will grow roses in her garden. In her garden. Number four, they will repair the roads before the train. Okay, number four, they will repair the roads before it rains. They will repair the roads before it rains. Number five. We will spend our summer vacation. We will spend our summer vacation at hill station. At a hill station. At a hill station. Listen, always you should remember, after will, I am not changing the verb. Here also will spend, here will repair. Always we are doing like this. Number 6, it rains heavily in July. It will rain. It will rain heavily in July. Number 7, Manoj rings the bell at 8 a.m. Number 7, Manoj will ring the bell. So here number 4 I am just rubbing. So number 7, Manoj will ring the bell at 8 a.m. At 8 a.m. Number 8, we play cricket every day in the evening. Okay. We play cricket. We will play. We will play cricket. We will play cricket every day in the morning. Every day in the morning. So please do it. And next, number C, exercise number C, Aditi has done. Besides that, again I'll tell that, and I'll not do today. Next day I'll do, but I'll tell today. If you can do this. Tomorrow, I will, what we can, I'll prepare, or I'll join for my, okay, here I can tell that tomorrow I will go for my unit test. Number 2, the baby will start to walk very soon. I will What I can tell you, can you answer this? In the evening, I will call you in the evening. Number 4, we will go out. We'll go out only when we'll go out when it stops raining. He will join his father's business. Okay, he will join his father's business when he grows up. Number 6, if it rains today, also it will become very cold. Next week, we will play a friendly hockey match with DPS Dharoka. Number 8, I hope you will enjoy the show. And number 9, the guard will blow the whistle and train will start. Okay, so please do it in your home, and next day again I'll do it. Okay, and those who are present, please write to me P. Ayush Mondal, Arindam Ghosh, Aditi Singh, Oishi Ghosh, Ankon Saha, Anusri Das, Anushka Goswami, Arindam Bhakot, Arindam Ghosh, Ayush Mondal, Daksha P, Daniel Das, Dhriti Mondal, Diksha Singh, Dibyanka. Okay, thank you, beta. Have a nice day.